The new year has just begun and car manufacturers have loads of big news in the very first month, beginning with the Toyota Camry, which will be launching on the 18th this month. The Camry was given a major update in the year 2015 with the introduction of the hybrid version. Underpinned by Toyota's new global architecture, the new Camry will boast of a new design and styling, and it will only be available with a hybrid powertrain. Following the Camry, the Nissan Kicks will be launching on the 22nd of January. Now, the bookings for the new Hyundai Creta arrival have been opened at Rs 25,000. The Kicks will be available with the same engine options as the Renault Captur with a manual gearbox. However, an automatic transmission is expected to launch on a later date. The 23rd of January will see the launch of two highly anticipated cars, the Tata Harrier and the new Maruti Suzuki Wagon R. The new Wagon R will be bigger than before, offering a more spacious cabin. Along with this, it will be available with two engine options. Tata Harrier, on the other hand, will be competing with the likes of Hyundai Creta and Jeep Compass. Based on a Land Rover-derived platform, the Harrier will come powered by a 2-litre diesel engine, which will deliver power to the front wheels. Do watch our review of the Tata Harrier for all details. Mercedes-Benz will be launching the BClass in India on 24th of January. Now, the luxury MPV will be the German manufacturer's very first product launch in 2019. It is expected to be priced at about 75 to 80 lakh ex-showroom. Honda has some great news this year. The new Civic is inching closer to its launch in India, and we will be driving it in the mid of February. Now, an important piece of information: the government is mulling over making it mandatory for driving licenses to be linked with Aadhaar cards soon. With this move, the government aims to eliminate duplicate licenses.